Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you put in a request for maintenance on electronic devices. So if you have a damaged device, something needs to be fixed and you need to put in a ticket, this is how you would do it. So you open up your email, and if you go to Edison Internal, open that up. I'm going to just close out on the calendar here, but you notice right here Edison Tech Request. So you double click on that, and it'll open up your internet browser, and it'll look something similar to this. So you pick what category it is, if it's a computer or the network or the printer. Most of the time it'll probably be computers. Put in the room number, the asset tag. The asset tag is usually a yellow tag, or it sometimes is engraved right on the computer itself. If you can't find the asset tag, a lot of times if it's in the computer lab, it's hidden on the computer portion itself, not on the screen. It's not the number or anything like that. It's actually a long code. So definitely look for that asset number, otherwise it'll be very hard to make the request. Priority and then the details. Please be as specific as you can on what is going on with it, so that whoever is looking at these tickets can actually make the correct decision on what kind of fix it needs. They might be able to come out and physically do it, or they can do it right over the network, and that's a lot faster. So please be as accurate as possible. All right, and then all you have to do is then save it, and it will submit it. So that's about it, guys. That is as easy as it comes, and good luck.